If you just got a Cricut machine, but you're not sure what you can make and sell with your Cricut machine, I'll show you 5 different things you could make to gift or to sell with your Cricut machine. So let's go and I'll show you. So the first one is the personalized color changing tumbler. I really like this one because you can make a beautiful gift for a teacher or for a friend who loves crafting. So basically what I'm doing here is, after cleaning my tumbler with alcohol wipes to remove the dust, which makes it easier for the uh, permanent vinyl adhesive to stick to your tumbler. And then I'm just assembling everything together to make a beautiful gift. I also use heat just to help the vinyl adhere to the tumbler. And then here we go. This is the color changing tumbler. A really beautiful gift for someone who loves to have their cold drinks and loves crafting. The second one is the personalized crayon shadow box. So this is a perfect gift, especially for Teacher Appreciation Week, because what you're doing here is just using crayons to make a beautiful gift. In this case, I was doing an M because I was making it for someone whose surname starts with M. But you can do this in any way. You could fill up the shadow box with just the crayons in any pattern, and then with your Cricut machine you can then personalize the shadow box and give that. The third one is Tumola jars. These are quite popular with schools, maybe as fundraising. You can fill these jars up with crayons, or usually with chocolate and sweets is what I've seen. But here I'm just making some Tumola jars using recycled coffee jars, and I'm filling these up with some sweet treats. So this was a Christmas themed tombola jar. So I was using a design off Cricut Design Space of some Christmas trees, and then I'll just decorate the tombola jars after cleaning them with alcohol wipes, and then fill them up with some chocolate treats. Personalized coffee or wine tumblers. These are really popular with people who love their hot drinks or also love their cold drinks. So with this one, what you're just going to do is to personalize this wine tumbler with the person's name. This is a perfect gift for your co-workers or for friends on their birthdays, and they'll definitely love it, especially now, just having something that's personalized and unique to them. The other way you could go with these personalized tumblers is you could incorporate this tumbler into a gift box and just fill that up with things that they would like, whether they like writing or they love a candle or chocolate. You could make a beautiful gift box for your friend on their birthday, also perfect for Mother's Day. Personalized notebooks. You can never go wrong with notebooks, especially for people who love journaling. And as the year starts, people would love to just record their thoughts for what's coming up and just share some of their things that they would like to remember throughout the year. So this is a personalized notebook, in this case for a teacher, just using some red and gold permanent adhesive vinyl. So there's so many gifts you can make using your Cricut machine, and whether you make these just to gift to your friends and family, or you want to turn your crafts into a profitable side hustle, there's just so many opportunities for you using your Cricut machine, and I hope that you try one of these ideas soon. Thank you for listening. If you like the videos I share on my channel, please be sure to give me a like and a follow. See you on the next one.